Welcome to the Farm and Home Show. I'm Janet Turley. I'm the County Extension Agent for 4-H and Youth Development in Warren County, and I'm your host this morning, and my co-host is...
I'm Julie Brown. I'm the other Warren County 4-H Youth Development Agent. Last week was National 4-H Week, so all across this country, counties were celebrating 4-H Week. So what is 4-H, Janet?
Oh, 4-H is a youth organization for kids between the ages of 9 to 18 years old, and our 5 to 8-year-olds are called Cloverbuds, and then we have a program for 9 to 18-year-olds.
So with these programs, we have 4-H clubs in them. So the 4-H clubs, when a family calls and was like, I'd like to get my child involved in 4-H, the first question I always ask is, what is your child's passion, or what sparks their interest? Because I bet we have a 4-H club that they're interested in. Some of the clubs we have are livestock clubs, poultry clubs, sewing clubs, cooking, visual arts clubs, country, ham, alpacas, leadership. If you can think of it, we've probably got a club that your child is interested in. So who all is 4-H exactly opened up to?
Actually, everyone, the 5 to 18-year-olds, and then we also have opportunities for volunteers for adults to serve as club leaders.
So especially in a lot of counties, especially here in Warren County, all of our clubs are volunteer based. So if you have a passion for your child and maybe they don't have that club, or if you're in a different county and they don't have a club that your child is interested in, they're always looking for that volunteer. So contact that local extension agent and they'll be able to set you up and talk to you about how to be a volunteer. So why do you join 4-H?
Oh, there's lots of benefits to joining 4-H. One, it's a lot of fun. Two, you get to meet a lot of really cool friends. Three is you might discover a project or a passion that you weren't aware of and that you're really good at. We also develop life skills. We do leadership, citizenship, community service, and communication skills.
So as part of that is 4-H in Kentucky. We're all part of the University of Kentucky. And with that, we have to provide 7 core curriculums, whether it's in our 4-H clubs or in our school enrichment programs. So that includes agriculture, family and consumer science, SET, communication and expressive arts, healthy living, natural resources, and leadership. So with that, what kind of clubs? So talk about our club system a little bit, Janet.
Well, when you join 4-H, usually you join some type of a club. And so it's going to differ from county to county. But in Warren County, we have community clubs where you could do 4-H within your community. We have project clubs where it might be horse, shooting sports, cooking, whatever that might be. We also have after-school clubs. And when the pandemic is not going on, we go in and do school enrichments. We have teen programs, and we have 4-H camp.
We do. So speaking of the pandemic, this is where you need to contact your local extension office because every county in the state is a little bit different. So here in Warren County, we have 3 setups with our 4-H clubs. So we have a face-to-face type clubs, and so with those clubs, they're still doing the social distancing. They're wearing their masks. They're 6 foot apart. Then we have our virtual clubs. So they're meeting via Zoom or other forms of virtual communications. And then we have a hybrid club, which is meeting face-to-face or they're meeting virtual, depending on the lesson or depending on what the club meeting is. So you need to contact that local extension office just to see. Here in Warren County, all of our clubs are doing something different. So you can visit our website or you can contact either Janet or I and we can help you out with that. So how do you join 4-H? How do we get involved?
The big thing is just contact your county extension office. There's one in every county, and talk to your 4-H agent. It's free to join, and so most everything that we do is free. There might be a small cost attached to that, especially if you're doing an out of town trip.
So, and speaking of the out-of-town trips, those have kind of cut down, but we do, with those club experiences, we offer 4-H camp that you just talked about. Hopefully this summer we'll have that. We have Cloverbud camp for our 5 to 8-year-olds. If the pandemic lifts, we do lots of outside trips that we take, whether it's to the Capitol or to do other things. So what you just need to do is to contact your local extension office. The Warren County office is 270-842-1681. You can also visit our website at warrencountyextension.org, and we can help you find your local extension office. Thank you and have a great day.